and welcome to our snazzy life.
So today's just going to be a quick little video. Our friend Taylor, we've seen some of our past videos. I got a bunch of stuff for her and her aunt and sent her a bunch of things, and her package just arrived. And you guys saw when I get stuff for her, I'll do like a draft and I let her pick ones out. So she had me pick some out, so she wants me to see what ones I picked out.
Yeah.
So the two that she did with the draft, she wants to see which ones she missed out on. But we'll show you everything we got in the box here.
So the first two are ones that I had them pick up for me at their parks. And the first one is my girl, Madam Mim. And she opens up. And so on the front, it's like her outside the door. And then on the inside, it's her with like a bubbly potion and Merlin the bird. So I love that one.
And then I had her, she had some traders and she was looking for stuff, and my hands are shaky. I won't be able to open it. Oh, I did. All right. And so this was a set, I think it's Loungefly maybe? I don't know which one. But it's got the queen with the apples. Now I'm doing the apple pins. And you open it up and it's like a VHS cassette.
That's so cool.
So it's a VHS cassette and it's got the queen with the apple on it.
I love that one. And then Disney World is doing an alphabet series. And so this is part of the alphabet series. And I wanted the letter S for Scrum. And then it also has H for Humphrey.
Nice.
All right. Then we have
Is this the
goods. This is the bigger one.
So this is the 2-pack?
Yes.
You want to do that one first? So these are the ones that I drafted that she had pulled out then. And so she had picked 2 out and we had picked 2 out. Ooh, she wrapped these good. You want to each do one?
Yes.
All right. So Taylor, if you're watching this, here are the ones that you got.
Here's our 2-packs. Are we ready?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see what we have. All
We're
right.
hoping for chasers and super chasers. I don't even know if I have them all memorized for this set. So
Nope. This one looks like a bus.
Tiana
bus.
My first one feels like a bus also. I don't even, what's the chaser for this one? Let's see.
Know. Is that Mally?
Maleficent. I think that might be the chaser. It is. All right, so yeah, this is the set, by the way. Maybe I'll put it up on the screen.
Yeah.
But yeah, the Maleficent is the chaser. So we got a chaser. The Mally bus.
Do you know what comes with buses?
I'm not sure for them.
Okay. My next one is, it's
Dale.
Chip.
Or Chip, that's right.
Yeah.
So we had Dale.
And he's so cute in the leaves.
Let's see which one. I think the pumpkin's really cute too. So I hope it's the chaser or the pumpkin.
Yeah.
Let's see what we got here. And we got, him in the leaves because it was with a chaser.
Yeah.
So that's fun. That's a cute one.
Yeah. So we have 2 of those. All right. Now on to the rest of the packs. And her aunt picked up these ones. So
yeah, I don't know if you guys remember, we did the Small World ones. We got that trip we made and just got those the day they came out because they only came in Disneyland.
yeah.
And so we got those. So
All right, we have 4 packs of these.
5 packs.
5 packs of these. So we will go through.
Let's start open.
All right. All right, number 1. I have a cupcake. Daisy. That one's actually sweet.
Yep. All right. My first one is a castle. And it is, I don't know if that's even focusing or not. It's, what is that? Oh, the Grand Californian.
No, Floridian.
Or Floridian.
Yeah. What's the chaser for the hexagon, the anniversary ones?
Tuk Tuk.
So we're hoping for a Tuk Tuk.
Oh, is that what that one is?
It's a Lightning McQueen.
That's a good one. That's
Yeah.
a good one. And then I felt my first one was a headband, so I saved it for last. So
Yeah.
I'm hoping it is the Chaser or the Super Chaser. But let's see. It is
Star Tours.
Star Tours. That's a cool one.
Yeah. What is the Chaser and Super Chaser?
Gus, and Jacques you already
that's
have.
right.
And then the Haunted Mansion.
Okay.
I think ours is Leota and theirs is Hatbox, maybe.
All right, I have a castle.
Ooh, that means it's with ears, probably.
This one is, what is that? The Lodge? Wilderness?
That is Disney's Wilderness Lodge. Yep.
Okay.
The Contemporary is the Chaser of that.
Okay.
All right, this one, a cupcake or a bus? Let's see. Oop. Oh, it looks like Daisy again. All right, so that means we probably have a double or I have a Chaser, one of the two.
So I do have ears.
Okay.
Minnie.
Nice.
Jasmine? Minnie.
All right, and I have, an Octagon. Is that what you had with yours?
Yeah.
So it's probably Lightning again, or Tuk Tuk. Let's see.
That's not Lightning.
Tuk Tuk, we got a Chaser. Nice.
All right, do we each want to,
How many Chasers we get? 2 so far?
yeah.
Nice.
Do we each want to pull one from this pack?
Sure, you can just hand me one.
All right, the first one is another cupcake. Daisy.
Uh-oh. Does that
So it's
mean it's
either
the
Lightning-
Octagon? Either Lightning or another Tuk Tuk. Let's hope
see
for
what it
another
is.
Tuk Tuk.
Yeah.
Another Tuk Tuk. Sweet. So we got 3 Chasers. That's awesome. It was a double bag, but it was a double Chaser bag.
Yep.
So, yeah, that's awesome. So we'll be able to use those to trade for stuff we need.
Yeah,
But, yeah, let's see. This is showing everything we got here.
sure is.
And,
So we always
Okay.
have fun trading with Taylor, and we just want to thank her for taking the time to go and get stuff from the parks for us.
oh yeah, we always appreciate it.
Yeah.
I started the new job, and so I won't be able to go quite as easy and often as I used to be able to.
Mm-hmm.
So I won't be able to go as much for you, Taylor, probably, but hopefully can still get stuff for you.
I do start summer though, so I could always go on Tuesday
Oh,
right
yeah.
after summer school.
That's true.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Here's what we got here. Give you a kind of a close up. What we got. Move Tiana's. We got some cool ones though.
Yeah. All right. Well, I have a couple park days coming up here soon, so hopefully we'll find some fun things to get into and share with you guys.
Yeah. I don't know if you guys noticed, we got new mics and we got the new Insta360 ones, and you can actually put your own like logo on here. So we have our Snazzy Life logo. We can change it if we want to put whatever we want on there. It's pretty neat.
Guys,
Yeah, she actually went to the park today. She didn't videotape,
I didn't.
but she didn't even bring pens with her. So I don't know what she's thinking.
I didn't know how long I was gonna be there.
But yeah, so hopefully we can get her to do some videoing too. She has a little more time coming up here.
Well, I guess then we'll see you next time on our Snazzy Life.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Deuces.